Hey, good morning. It's Joe Boyd here with Complete Exteriors. I'm just going to do a little example about different types of siding we use here at Complete Exteriors. We get a lot of phone calls and people are, I want vinyl siding, I want hardy plank siding. But one of the exciting new products we've been using for a couple years is this product here. This is Cellular PVC Siding. So it's a solid siding, PVC. It's got a tongue and groove lap joint on it. So when these two pieces come together, it's seamless, it locks together. It's got a standard nail fin here. It comes pre-finished in 17 different colors with a 25-year warranty. It's extremely durable. I can hit this with a hammer. No damage whatsoever. So it's also flexible. To the point. Golf balls, weed whackers, kids, baseball bats, you name it. Very durable product. This is called Select PVC Siding. This here is a piece of hardy siding with the Color Plus finish on it. They give you about a 20-year warranty on it. This is actually their cedar lap siding product that stacks up like so. It also comes in about 16 different colors. Here's a different lap profile design. This is their colonial beaded with the texture in it. Pre-finished, 20-year warranty on the color. But as far as strength and endurance wise, as you see here, the hardy breaks. It also, when this product comes in contact with a roof surface, a concrete surface down at the ground, and is sat in water, it begins to fray and break at the ends and just delaminates. So we get a lot of repair calls for this product. Not that Hardy's a terrible product, it's just a well-known product in the market. So when you're thinking about your siding choices, this is the best product we offer. So just a little education moment here, just to let you know the difference between a PVC product with a color finish and a fiber cement product with a pre-baked color finish. The other nice thing, this stuff, when we put this up, it doesn't lock. So we would put a nail here, you can get your fingers under this a little bit and pry it away from the wall. This product here has a lock in the back of it. So when your next piece of siding comes into it, like so, it's locked in the seam. There's no way for wind uplift to get underneath it. Very strong. And this product, when we nail it up here, I've been out to a house to re-nail someone else's installation because during the windstorm you could hear it rattling like that on the house. You won't have that with the Select product. Here's what we recommend. Don't do anything else. Thanks for your time today.